Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code you can see on the screen, and it's the top one, the throttle body. So this is a Mercedes 2.1, and of course it could give you signs in terms of engine management light, or the car can go into limp mode, whichever really. Sometimes they don't go into limp mode, but it just shows it. Now you need to replace the throttle body. This is what it looks like, and it's best to replace it with OEM parts rather than aftermarket, because what happens is with the aftermarket they don't function right, or the electronic side of it is not the best, so you'll always get the engine management light flickering on. So that's one advice I'll give you: get the OEM part, far better, pay a few quids more, but at least you're safe. And that is to be found here at the bottom. It is a bit hard to get to, but if you look at the diagram, dealer diagram with these diesel engines 2.1, you will see where it is, but it's straight down here. That's that component.